Today I will show you a low competition niche you can work on it and make a lot of sales on Amazon KDP. Also, I will show you how you can make books from this niche with easy and simple steps. If you see me for the first time, my name is Saad. I run this channel uploading daily videos about making money online with different fields. If you're interested what you're waiting for, smash that red button and hit the notification bells. Amazon KDP is one from the easy businesses online you can start right now. It's required no money and design skills. Just find a winning niche books and start making your books like them just using Canva. But if you want to be more advanced, you must know some design basics and scale your work by learning Illustrator, Photoshop, etc. But in my opinion, the main factor for success on KDP is the research. You must have great niche with high search volume and low competition, because as I said, the creation of the books are easy, but find winning books with low competition is the hard part. So I recommend to search for hours and hours until you find a niche worth your effort. Today, I have a niche I am sure some of you know it and some not, but this niche have just 1000 results, and the best BSRs I find in this niche is 828. So this niche have a great potential to work on it. If we open Amazon and search for cut and paste, like you see 1000 results, and look for the first book we have 1757 BSR. If we calculate this BSR to see how much this book have of sales, 1463 monthly sales, and the book generates almost 100 sales every day. Let's check another book, and this is the book I told you have 828 BSR. So let's check this BSR of this book also. Wow, this book generates over 2500 sales every month. This is a winner book. So I think this book is on Amazon FBA product, but let's see the content of this book. Like you see, just simple designs has a frame that revolves around the design to make the child notice where he should start cutting. And this is the main idea from cut and paste books. The child must cut the design and paste it to another page. Like you see, almost all books are sold. Look for this book, is a Halloween cut and paste, and they have a good BSR and more than 200 reviews. So also you can niche down on this niche. You can make animals, forest, pets, and also family. So you can mix any niche you want with this niche and make a good book. So how you can make books like this? I will use a software called Puzzle Publisher to create this kind of books, and it's really easy than you think. So this is the software from inside. Here in the software section you have a bunch of tools will help you a lot to create stunning and winning books in just 1 minute. But today I will use just the simply cut out crazy. So the tool, it's easy and simple. Here you can add your design. If you don't have any design skills, you just go to Pixabay or Creative Fabrica and use designs from them. I will upload this cut design and boom. The tool use frame automatically on your design, and you can edit it from here. The zoom, here you can edit your line, and here you can edit your colors. Like you see, you can edit your design in just 1 minute, and after you can download it from here as a PNG or a PDF format. And if you want to make a 50 page, because I see a lot of books on this niche generating a lot of sales having just between 50 to 60 page. So if you made every design in 1 minute, you have 1 hour to create a great book. So 3 hours can make you you 3 books. I think this niche watch more than 3 books a day because I am sure you will have stable sales in the end. The link of the software you will find it in the description below. The software have more than one tool and I will show you every tool separately in the next videos because I really find this software helpful and a lot of people use this software to automate their uploads on KDP. Your friend Saad was with you guys. Stay safe and don't forget to give the video a like and see you on the next one.